Hello, everybody. Good to see you. And today we're going to do something about making pretend food. But before we do that, let's sing hello. It's nice to greet one another first. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello. And are you ready to wriggle? Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello. Always good to have a wriggle before we settle down to do something together. So when we made our last lot of pretend food out of Play-Doh, we had saucepans and all kinds of things. And I was thinking, food's such a nice thing to share. And in a couple of weeks' time, when we do our little celebration, like a sort of a little party, to say that we've all been together on Zoom for a whole year now, then we might perhaps have a little bit of food, maybe pretend, maybe real, to share. Depends what we can bring. So let's make something today. And I'll tell you what you'll need. First of all, some plates. And don't worry if you haven't got any plates like that in your house, you can do what I did and cut out a circle of paper. I did that by putting a plate on top of a piece of paper and drawing around it and then cutting all the way around with my scissors. You might need the grown-up that's looking after you to help with that. And it doesn't matter if it's not an absolutely circle, does it? So then, where are we going to get the food from? So I thought about that for a bit. And when I was in the supermarket, I had a look to see if they had any of those free magazines that they sometimes have, ones that you don't have to pay any money for. And they did. They had this kind with some lovely pictures of all crackers, I think gherkins, maybe some jam or chutney, maybe cheese. I think there's some nuts there too, though. And inside, oh my goodness me, there were party things, sandwiches, cheese, and I think that might be a happy birthday cake. Lots of things, just waiting for somebody to come along with their scissors and snip, snip, snip. You can cut a picture out. You might need a bit of help with that too, but it doesn't matter. You can just cut it out ziggy-zaggy if you want to, because then you've got your own food. I did some cutting out for mine from one of those magazines. I think it was one like this. This was another free one. Lots and lots of different food in it. I think this one's got all sorts of dinners as well in it. And actually, some of you might have a grown-up in your house who really likes doing cooking and has big magazines like this with lots of food in. Oh, loads of different things. Look, there's a picture there of some sausages, and you can see where I've been cutting something out at the top. Lots of nice things in there. Well, I did do my cutting out, and then I thought I'll need something else, not just the scissors to cut with, but maybe some glue. So I've got a glue stick. And you know, if you haven't got any glue at all in your house, you can actually just mix a little bit of flour with a little bit of water and use a pastry brush to do sticking with. Works really well. So there you are. There's my glue all ready to go. And what did I cut out from the magazine? Well, I thought, what would I like for my dinner today? And I saw a picture, thinking that space that you saw I'd cut from. And it was some pasta and some tomato sauce with vegetables. There it is on the plate. Doesn't it look yummy? Don't just dip my finger in. Oh, it's a bit hot. Nice though. But I didn't want to have just that on my plate. I thought I might have some vegetables to go with it. And I decided I'd like something orange. Can you think of an orange vegetable? I bet you can. Yes, you're right. Some carrots. So I'm going to put some carrots on my plate as well. There now. And then I wondered whether I could have a green vegetable. What have we got that's green? Peas are green, aren't they? Lots of vegetables are green, actually. Cabbage is green, but I like broccoli. So I'm going to put some of that on my plate too. I've got broccoli, carrots, pasta, and sauce, and maybe I might have a few of these. Do you know what they are? They're another root vegetable, a vegetable where you eat the bit that's right down inside the ground, like carrots. These are called parsnips. They're a little bit like carrots, same shape too. So there's all my dinner on my plate, just waiting for me to stick it on. And then I thought, wonder if I could, as well as making a dinner, I wonder if I could make a snack. Well, what could I have for a snack? And do you remember that picture I showed you at the very beginning? That one on the magazine. Well, I got my scissors and I had quite a few of those little free magazines. I cut out the crackers and the gherkins and the nuts, because I eat nuts. I know some people can't. And I put them onto my snack plate. And then I thought I'd like some fruit. So I had a look to see what I could find. And I found, yep, some strawberries. So I put some strawberries onto my snack plate too. And then I thought, I wonder if I could have a little treat today. It's not very long after the Easter time when people have those funny buns. You remember what they're called? Hot cross buns. And I found some in the magazine. There they are. So I put those onto my snacky plate too. What a lot of lovely things. And do you know, if you're thinking, oh, but we haven't got anything to cut out, don't worry. It doesn't matter if you haven't. And it doesn't matter if you can't get to the shop and get some, because if you've got some pens, just think what you could draw with those. And you could draw straight onto the plate or the circle of paper. You could make some nice carrots or some oranges with that one. Maybe you could make some sausages or some brown bread with that one. And how about making peas, ... and broccoli with that one? So you see, you don't really need very many things at all. Nothing that you've got to go and buy. So that will be fun, making food, and I hope you'll all give it a try. We're going to try doing it on Tuesday morning. So what could we sing? Well, first of all, how about if we sang something very happy? Because if we've been sharing our food, it's probably because we're celebrating something and we feel happy about being together. So let's give that a go first. How about if you're happy and you know it? And we could start off with clapping our hands and then pretend to share our food. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, share your food. If you're happy and you know it, share your food. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, share your food. And then what about choosing? We could have a song about choosing what we want. We could choose for our dinner and we could choose for a snack. Let's do that together. And let's see if there's anyone else who wants to do some choosing with us. I think I can hear someone coming now. Oh, here he comes. It's Gabriel is here. Gabriel, would you like to talk about what you want for dinner? He would. Good. Well, shall I ask you? Don't ask you if you want mushrooms because you don't like them. No, okay, that's all right. I won't ask you if you want mushrooms. What do you think about mushrooms? Oh, don't like them at all. Okay, fine. I love them. Oh, what shall we have for our dinner today? Dinner today, dinner today. What shall we have for our dinner today? You tell me. How many? 5. Oh, 5 veggie sausages. Well, that's something Gabriel really likes, isn't it? Do you want a few mushrooms with it? Oh, I was only teasing. Okay, are we ready then? Let's sing that again. We'll put the sausages in the pan, in the pan, in the pan. We'll put the sausages in the pan and then we'll eat them up. Now it's Judy's turn to choose. Would you like to ask me? What would I like for my dinner today? Dinner today, dinner today. What would I like for my dinner today? You tell me. And don't say mushrooms. Okay. So, I would like for my dinner today, mashed potato, please. Okay. We'll put potatoes in the pan, in the pan, in the pan. We'll put potatoes in the pan and then we'll eat them up. Oh, did you like that? Did you have some of my mashed potatoes? Did you share my food? Yes, 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 yes. Good. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? I hope you'll enjoy doing it too. Maybe one of your toys would like to play it with you as well. Okay, well, it's time for us to say goodbye now. Yeah, you can sing with me, Gabriel. That's fine. I'm sure the children will be pleased if you wave. Okay. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye and kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Nice kissing, Gabriel. Oh dear, I think Gabriel's trying to tell me something. I think I might have to go now. Bye, everybody. Bye from Judy and Claire and Coralie and Gabriel. See you soon, maybe on Tuesday or maybe on Thursday for story time. Bye.